Hi Gemini, I'm Anisha and you can visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com and this is your monthly forecast for March 2012. For those of you who are watching me for the first time, I combine astrology with tarot. I look at the broad planetary movement and I focus more on the slow moving planets because I think they have a more long lasting effect on us. So let's have a look at March Gemini. Let's see what's there in store for you. We have the beautiful Venus. She's a goddess of love, beauty, and sex, also identified by the Romans as an equivalent of Aphrodite. She's a Greek goddess. And we have Jupiter, also known as Zeus, who is the king of gods. He's the guy who rules the sky and the thunder. And they're both conjuncting in Taurus this month, the entire March. And what does that mean for you, Gemini? Let's see. So this month we have Jupiter and Venus and they're transiting your 12th house. That's a house which rules spirituality, it rules psychic abilities, it rules behind the scenes. It also in some cases rules long-term confinement. So it could be either a long stay at a hospital or it could also mean a jail term sometimes. So this month, it's a beautiful alignment. We don't have Venus and Jupiter aligning every day. It's a very, very rare occurrence. And since it is there in your 12th house, it's a great time for you to be not introspecting this time, but it's a good time for you to be going out and doing something more for the people. So maybe charity, maybe, doing something for not so privileged where you've been thinking about it for a long time, not gotten down to doing it. It's a great time to do. It's also a great time for those of you who do not meditate. It's a great time to give a shot at it and see how it works for you. Meditation can quite be fun. So it's a good time to do your ruling planet Mercury. It enters your house and it's going to be giving you all its verbal support. Let's just talk about your work at this point of time. There is still some amount of irritation or being pushed up against the wall by an authority figure or your immediate boss. And some way the trend has continued from the last month, wherein that you're saying, is this am I supposed to be doing? Is this the work that I should be doing? I need to be doing something else. And, you have been a little uneasy and you have been a little anxious, but it's going to go. So just hang on over there. So this month, a lot of you will be biting your lip and gritting your teeth for most of the month as far as your work is concerned. And, let me tell you, it's the wisest thing. I know easier said than done, but just ride the storm. It's, you're that close. You're just that close. So work-wise, if it's that unappreciative boss, if it is that authority figure that is just piling on work onto you and not bothering to even see whether, you have the time for it or not, and you can't do anything about it because there are too many personal obligations and you can't just let go of it and you can't just kick it off and say, okay, fine, I'm going. Just grit your teeth and just go along with it and just see as to how it goes this month. Just ride the storm. Mercury also rules technology, so it's not a great time for you to be going out and buying very expensive gadgets. And if you must buy the gadgets, do remember to pick up your receipts and your warranty cards. Do remember to get them signed. It's often seen that any electronic product that is bought during a Mercury retrograde does tend to give some amount of trouble. And if you are traveling, do check your schedules and the weather to the city or to the country where you're traveling, since Mercury also rules weather. He was, as per the Greek mythology, he was god Hermes, who, or rather he was responsible for transporting souls from one world to another world. It was a very divine role. So the tarot message for you, Gemini, this month is to have faith. Have a lot of faith in your capabilities, have a lot of faith in your abilities. It's a highly creative and an imaginative time for you. Do not let go of your dreams, for Neptune is there and it will support you for the next 13 years. So go ahead and dream and stay creative. I'll see you again next month in April, and thank you so much for watching.